Well, hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. It's another Nokia 7230 video. That's the model. Well, not much of a refurbish for this phone. I mainly need to change the front part, give it a good clean, and maybe put a back cover since it doesn't have one. So, let's begin. Editing a zoom in this. And here it is. And all its scratched glory. Well, let's begin. Okay, I failed it. Okay. Why does this glue have to be so savage? That's kind of it on this part. Oh, this is where this thing is still holding in place. Son of a... Finally! Now for take out the buttons, you have these two clamps, here and here. This is how the main board looks like. Ew. What the heck is this? Oh my god, this is some ugly sponge dust or something here. Actually, you know what? I'm kind of curious. I'm actually going to record this and show it near here. Let me record now. Ugh. Oh my god. Disgusting. This is what it's getting inside your phones, people. Not just these old ones. Ew. Clot of dust. Okay, enough fun. I'll throw this away. Now to disassemble the bottom half. The earpiece is just as dusted. Ugh. The microphone, the speaker, and the antenna. Where the heck did that just flew over this whole room? Yeah. Well, I'll get to clean all of these and be right back with the assembly. Don't go anywhere. Well, I've cleaned it and probably you guessed it, I have a different slide mechanism here with a different display. The display is fine, but I did a little oopsie on the other slide, like for instance I blew some air, you know, with my blower. And apparently it was so strong that it shattered the flex cable. And I only did it for a split second. I was like, what? I mean, part of me knew that it might happen, but I did not expect it to be so savage. Finally clean. Okay, looking good already. Let me just take this out of the way. I can actually assemble this. And put it in its place. I didn't show you this, but I also took the camera button off to clean it since it was like very dirty. Yeah, I can do that. Put in this before I put the screws in. There you go. Well, it's not new, but it's better than the one it had, so no complaints. Although it has its fair amount of scratches, but it is what it is. Here's the phone. Oh my god, no! This is bad. Ah! Okay. Right. Fail. Right. Oh, come on. Right. Right. Changed it. Better. Ow. Yes, it's 2010. Good year. I think. Before I change the language, let's test all the functions. Ooh. I'm sorry, what the f... $336 talk hours and 59 minutes. Yeah, boy. Testing the voice recorder of this interesting looking phone. Testing the voice recorder of this interesting looking phone. Okay. All memory card. I'm guessing only 1.1 occupied, right? Not, yeah, 2 gigs. Okay. So it works. Lock. Lock. That's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Thumbnail. So if you enjoyed it, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. And like always, I wish you a very awesome day just like yourself, and all the best. Bye. Yeah.